Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to discuss the power of AI smart analytics in transforming footage into big data. With the rapid growth of video content, footage is constantly being generated, making it a valuable resource for businesses, organizations, and surveillance agencies. AI smart analytics is revolutionizing the way we analyze and extract valuable insights from this footage. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and advanced algorithms, AI analyzes large amounts of data in real time, detecting and identifying patterns and trends that were previously unmanageable. One of the key applications of AI in footage transformation is crime prevention. By analyzing footage from surveillance cameras, AI can detect suspicious activity and alert security personnel, reducing the risk of crime and improving public safety. Similarly, in the healthcare industry, AI-powered systems can help doctors and nurses identify and diagnose diseases more accurately, leading to better patient outcomes. Another powerful use of AI in footage transformation is asset tracking. In the manufacturing and logistics industries, footage is used to monitor inventory, track equipment, and ensure that products are delivered on time. By using AI, businesses can identify and track assets in real time, improving efficiency and reducing costs. In the realm of sports and entertainment, AI-powered analytics can help coaches and athletes improve performance, predict injuries, and identify trends that can lead to better strategies and decisions. In conclusion, AI smart analytics is transforming footage into big data, unlocking new opportunities for businesses and organizations to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. The future of footage analysis and data mining is bright, with AI playing a crucial role in driving progress and enhancing our lives in countless ways. Welcome to the future of video analysis, where AI smart analytics transform footage into big data. With machine learning algorithms, AI analyzes individual frames and identifies patterns, allowing us to capture and analyze real-time data. This innovative technology helps security professionals efficiently monitor large areas, detect and prevent crime, and identify potential risks. From improving surveillance to enhancing safety, AI smart analytics revolutionizes the way we handle footage and unlocks valuable insights. The future is here, and it's transforming footage into big data with the power of AI.